Listen to me, people. You know that we're all fucked when this guy right here, our top dog agent, I spoke with him for 2 hours and 45 minutes, October 4th, 2023, by phone. And let me tell you something, Christopher Ray. You should probably be finding that information and bringing it forward. I don't care who you are, top FBI agent or just a peon at the fucking dump. You hid information. Suppressing information is a violation, and nobody is above the law. Troy Morton is friends with and is an FBI agent himself for technology specialist. Isn't that right, Troy? So, can you tell everybody what happened to my dog and why my phones got intercepted? And why were there drones flying? Did you have permission by the FAA to fly drones throughout Garland, Maine, over Oliver Hill Road, Garland, Maine, October 2023, and especially through Christmas of 2023? Nobody else was flying, people. Now, Troy, you've never met me in person. And you see, I bear a very pretty smile, don't I? So why is it that you could hate me? My smile is genuine. What is yours? Yours is full of vindictiveness, isn't it? What happened to Christina Sargent and her babies? Answer, please, Troy. And where is my dog Gypsy? I know you're friends with Doug Thomas, which is the father of Derek Thomas, who had just called me a crazy cunt a couple hours before I got home because I was on my way to file against your other friend, Dale Lancaster, as well as you, Troy Morton, for protection, high risk protection order. That would release you from being able to have your weapons harassing, surveilling, and terrorizing. Isn't that true? Isn't that why you're torting me? And who was it that you people had sitting outside my home October 19th, the night of? I know your little bitches on their knees are jealous of me, and that's why somebody took Gypsy, but the truth is going to prevail. And restraining orders are only for so long before I'm able to tell again. You see, the people that took him out on me, it's not because they were scared of me physically, it's because I tell the truth to everybody. So, Troy Morton, are you ready to bring my dog back? Through Michael Kennedy, who gave me a case number, and so therefore that generated a requested docketed case number. So I'm going to take up a residency temporarily in the state that I'm in, and I'm going to file against the state of Maine. And knowing that this is a Republican state, they don't like you anyway. Wouldn't it be easier just to return my dog Gypsy rather than have to have all the taxpayers, all their tax dollars going towards, even if I don't get far in the court the first time or the second time, still have to pay for all the copies, and it's not me paying, it's the taxpayers. So again, why don't you just bring my dog back to me and stop harassing, terrorizing, surveilling, and trying to kill me? Dale Lancaster, Troy Morton. Look, another creeper. And another one with power hiding the information. Look, right here in this email to Tara Tucker, she was very well aware about how's this for news and how's news for you. Well, let me tell you something. She failed again. Without a doubt, I wouldn't go here if I was you people because they will lie about you and they'll do anything to fit in. That kind of person they call a snitch because they're not telling the truth. They're just looking for attention. Here's the phone number, people. Why don't you call Greenland Police Department yourselves and ask Chief Tara Tucker, how many times have they planted evidence on people? How many times have they impounded vehicles and taken them to the police department to search them and go through FBI paperwork? And now it's missing. You've seen it right there in the email, and then they stopped correspondence with me. So again, I suggest you come up with that information. Tara, you had all reason to uphold my daughter's rights and the law, and you refused. So then my vehicle went missing at what? Pat's Auto Repair and Towing in Seabrook. I'm the one that called to ask it to be towed because you see, the officer, when he gave me the key, told me, don't drive very far, Kim. They'll impound it. Well, I didn't drive very far, and it seized up. It didn't get impounded. I requested it towed, and I asked for a diagnosis. The fucking car went missing. Imagine that. Pat's Towing and Auto Repair, Seabrook, New Hampshire. Look at the fucking retard taking a picture in the window. Another fucking retard. If you're not retard, identify yourself otherwise, please. and I'll be discretional on that. If you happen to see my expedition anywhere in Seabrook, New Hampshire, or at an auction block, just remember that I filed theft by deception. Anybody that buys or has my vehicle, you'll be charged as well. Thank you. The moral of that story with this picture right here is the fact that, yeah, that's my cat's box to prove that he had just gone to the bathroom. And no, there was not any marijuana in either one of the seats, or he would have arrested me right there, correct? So he found marijuana somewhere to put in the front seat console area of my vehicle because, again, I've got proof it wasn't there before, or he would have arrested me, right? But what he was really, really after, without a doubt, was that backpack full of paperwork. And there you go. There's the proof. He opened it. Boom. Proof. I told Brian from the commissioner's office that my FBI bag got broken into. Holy fuck, they wrapped my vehicle like it was a goddamn murder scene. And again, they went silent. Can you say conspired, organized crime? Proof. I told you before I made contact with the courts that I would file lawsuits. Now, Pat from Pat's Auto Repair and Towing. There you go. I still got the text messages, dude. I suggest that you know I'm not playing your game. I don't get into frivolous activity. You stole from me, and I'm going to file suit against you. I suggest that anybody need a tow, don't go through Pat's Auto Repair and Towing service in Seabrook, New Hampshire. I went in to pay the bill, and my car had disappeared right off the lot. It was towed May 6th, 7th, and 8th, as well as the 9th. I stayed in a nasty ass motel across the street waiting for my vehicle, and that's when I realized that the windows were down, the doors were unlocked, the keys were in it. I grabbed it all, except for my belongings. So what happened to them? And then I was set up by the police again to get beat up. But let me tell you something. That's a lawsuit too. There's a claim number through their insurance company already. So if you want to keep on messing with me, I'll keep on telling the fucking facts, truth, and seek justice against you.